buyer's portal. Discover a world of products and start negotiating directly. At first sight, finding the products you are looking for or discovering new ones is very easy. On the homepage, you can see that the products are grouped by category, by featured products, and even by new products. You will always find the product. Whenever you cannot find a product in your navigation through the portal, FromOzz gives you the possibility to fill out a form, which will notify all the producers of the marketplace so that they can offer you just the product you're looking for. Receive free samples. Requesting free samples of a product you like, it's easy. You just have to select it and click on Free Samples. Then, fill out the form with the requested information, such as the amount and address where you want the samples to be sent. And done! You will receive your samples as soon as possible. Negotiation is very easy. If you're already interested in a product, go to the menu and select Product Catalog. Then select the product, for example, the one that you requested samples for, and start negotiating. Choose the quantity, the desired price, and you're done. You've started the negotiation. You will always be connected. With the FromOzz chat, you can always have group or individual conversations with your team and with the network of producers and business partners. This way, you can coordinate sample shipments and negotiate more effectively. Simply click on the icon in the upper right menu. You are ready to communicate.